It is 11 p.m. and I'm excited today. So I managed to buy some measuring cups and stuff like that and banana. So I was thinking of making banana bread right now. So wish me good luck. I'm going to use 4 to 5 bananas. I'm going to peel it and then chop it and smash it. I'm too lazy to take a picture, but I do not have a proper Pyrex bowl, so wish me good luck again. The smasher, I think they use it for mashed potatoes, but I'm tired of using forks, so this helps, I guess. And I'll be back soon. White sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So in the other angmo recipes, it's usually 2 cups of sugar. I don't like that sweet because the banana here is already sweet. I'm going to use maybe 3/4, and I'll see how the consistency shows. I'm gonna add 5 eggs. I can't do it with one hand, so yeah, just 5 eggs. And then after that, I will whisk it with a whisk so that the butter would blend easily. Half banana. That's banana. Now we are adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This I learned from Joanne and Jermaine to sieve it. So I put 1 cup first and then you can see. Okay, so 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Stirring. And you notice that there's still chunkiness of butter. Don't worry about it. It will still taste good, I think. Next, you add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I forgot to video that part, I'm sorry. But I've added it in with the... Wait, I'll do the nuts. And I'm going to add a little butterscotch chips that I'm adding. I like the taste, I guess. It feels like my pistachio is not enough, but let's see what happens when I actually fully mix it. It doesn't break more of the nuts or anything else that I've mixed. Now we are ready. Next thing is to butter up your pan and heat up the oven with butter and 2 with olive oil, and I have no clue which one will work. Not so evenly distributed them, but I don't have enough, so we're gonna put it in the oven, and I think I will look at it for 25 minutes and see how it works, because I've never used the small bread pans before. Hopefully it comes out all right, and I'll just keep looking and I'll let you know the minutes after. Of the grill type one, but let's see what happens. I forgot to mention it was 180 degrees. I don't know what has gone wrong. It has weird thingy-majiggy. After 20 minutes, it's coming out wrongly. I realized my oven is only 1 light, so I'm just moving it around, and I added some almonds and stuff. It's about 30 minutes because it's the first time I'm trying it in the small thing. See how small it is? This is my hand. I do not know why this one raised, but I just stopped it because it was brown. Usually if you have a toothpick and poke it in the middle, if it comes out dry, that's when it's ready. I'm guessing it, and I hope my friends don't kill me when I feed them tomorrow. Let's see. I know why it's weird now. Thanks to Priya, she mentioned that it's because because my oven is not even, because one side is off. So it's like I was moving it around when I keep opening it, so because it's not evenly distributed, the thing went off. So the recipe works, guys. Now to try it up. And this is for the office tomorrow, and I'm stealing something. So the uneven thing was because I didn't pour it evenly. Stupid me, sorry.